Hello everyone, today I will be showing you these wireless earbuds. Let's open these boxes and see how they look. Alright, the black. First up, see the inside. Here we have them. And here's how they look. Alright, next. Ooh, I really like the gray. It's a brighter color and it just looks really nice. The inside of that, and we got the blue. These also look very clean. It's awesome. The gray is my favorite, so let's talk about it. These headphones, these are rotatable, anti-fall and anti-sweat, considering another thing that I really like about these is that they actually go in your ear. So let's try them on real quick just to see how they feel and look, and I'll bring you in for a closer look so you can see how they fit. There, wraps around on your ear, twist it on, and same with this one. See, a thing that I really like about these is that you put them in your ear and it's basically just noise cancellation. You can't hear anything around you. And then you have your LED power display. Overall, the case, the material, and the style of it makes it look really cool. It's resistant to stress when you're trying to close it and having a tough time zipping. No, it zips very nicely and clean. And also, I could drop it off of the balcony right there and nothing will happen to the case. And yes, I'll do that later. These are ultra stable clip-on headphones that can be used for various sports. And like I said earlier, here are all the three colors: your cool black, stylish gray, and lastly your sapphire blue. These headphones come with a 1-year warranty. If it breaks, just send it back, you'll get a new pair. And if you're not satisfied with your new pair or your repair, then you can always get a full refund. Just contact Amazon and then you're good to go. If you're someone out there who's looking for the perfect pair of headphones to go to the gym with or to hiking, jogging, whatever sport you're playing, then these headphones are perfect for you.